In studio with me, the host of a program you hear Saturdays and Sundays on WSGW called Hire It Done. He's from Bloomfield Hills, and we say, again, welcome back to Adam Helfman, who is the host of the show and a contractor in his own right for many, many, many years, fourth generation. So, what is, if there is such a thing, the number one mistake made by homeowners when a project is awaiting them?
When you start a project, you got to watch out for these words. And you ready?
I'm ready.
We might as well. You go to the tile shop and you pick out your tile, right? And you're going to get, I'm going to get this nice 12 by 12 tile. And then right in the corner of your eye, you see the sale price of this beautiful 1 by 2 foot marble that was $12, but it's on sale for $4. And you look at your wife or you look at yourself and you say, we might as well go with that.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.